Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to use the front loader to clear the driveway. We don't have that much snow, but it'd be a great experience to do that, and I think you guys would probably enjoy it. Let's do a comparison. How well does the front loader work compared to the snowblower with small snowstorms? So let's test that out. I'm gonna take you guys on a tour with me and we'll go from there. Another benefit of using just the front loader on small snowstorms is you don't have to mount your 3-point hitch snowblower. I bought a quick hitch attach for this for the back, but it turns out that it doesn't quite fit on the Harbor Freight one, so I gotta make some modifications. And today I'm being lazy, so I'm just gonna use the front loader on the tractor. There you have it. We're all done. As you can see right behind me here, driveway is nice and clean. We used the front loader to clear. I think it took a little longer than with the snow blower, but it wasn't enough to put it on, and I wanted to try it out. So that's what's going on. Now I did a quick push right here. I want to show you. I have a 49-inch John Deere bucket, and it fits right through my sidewalk here, and it does a pretty good job. And then over here, you can see the driveway is looking pretty good. The sun is helping out. As far as the runway goes, it'll melt. I think the bucket leaves a little, maybe a snow pusher would be more appropriate, but I don't see the need to spend that kind of money as of right now. So there you have it. That's it for today. Cleaned off my driveway. Let me know what you think in the comments. If you haven't yet subscribed, please subscribe. Thank you.